Prescription painkillers are claiming millions of lives. And this kind of stuff right here, this is the kind of stuff that really, really pisses me off, because doctors are still using opioids and prescriptions, painkillers, to feed their own selfish interests. It is ridiculous. Listen, if you go to a doctor and the doctor is not looking for the root cause of the problem, if the doctor is not digging deep to find out why you're in pain, and if all they're focused on is treating your pain and treating your symptoms with some kind of drug, then you got to turn around and walk out or run out of that office. Do not follow their advice. That is bogus. You do not need more painkillers because you have a lack of painkillers in your system. There's a root cause of the problem. We got to start focusing. We got to do better as doctors. And if you're a doctor, pay attention and get to the root cause of the problem.